So as an extension of the remainder theorem, the factor theorem tells us that if we evaluate at c, where x minus c is the divisor, and we end up with a value of 0, that means that our divisor is a factor of the function we're looking at. And this is essentially the same thing as the remainder theorem with when we substitute, we get a value of 0. It means that when we divide, there's not going to be a remainder, and therefore what we're dividing by is a factor of our dividend. So in this case, what the factor theorem tells us is that x minus 5 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed minus 125 if f of 5 is 0. If when we evaluate at 5, we end up with 0. So let's look at f of x equals x cubed minus 125. Our divisor is x minus 5, or what we're trying to see if it's a factor is x minus 5. So we want to know, what is f of 5? Well, that equals 5 cubed minus 125, which equals 125 minus 125, which equals 0. So what that means is that since f of 5 equals 0, we know that x minus 5 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed minus 125. And if we ended up with any other result but 0, then we'd know that it's not a factor. But in this case, we did end up with 0 evaluated at 5, at x equals 5, and therefore we know that x minus 5 is a factor of the function.